So I decided I'm gonna show you these batteries charging and how to connect them. So you can see these are, I believe, the micro USB connectors. And each battery just has a slot for it, so you just push it in and until it stops. Let's see, it looks like they are this way. So just using the case to help me do it with one hand. There's 2, 3. See, they just look like that when you connect them. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. You look carefully, like each of the. Oh, let me take this one back off. You can see which way the connector goes in because one side is round and one side's flat. So I was keeping the flat side up like this and then pushing the connector in flat side up. So the flat side is that side. You can see there's it's hard to see in the camera, but there is a slight roundness to the bottom. So you just push it in with the flat side up, or if you have it the other way, the round side up. So there, all of them are connected there. And then I have a USB power charger stick here, strip, and I can see I need to have the white side up there. So in it goes. There, now you can see each battery indicates that it's charging by showing you that this red light. When it's done charging, I'll make another video and show you that it turns green. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna leave it to charge. Probably gonna charge up the other 3 packs I got today as well. There you go. I just connected the other 2 packs. You can see they're all showing red right now. Yep. And so I'm not sure how long they take to charge, but I got lots of other things to do, so I'll check back later. Oh, here's what the batteries look like when they're charged. I guess I was wrong. The light turns blue when they're fully charged. So red to blue. Yep, I think it took a couple hours. So they're all blue now. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so this is just to show how strong the charge is. So this is a battery tester set to AA 1.5 volts, and you can see, it's in the good section. That's weird. It was showing much stronger earlier. There, that's what I saw earlier. I don't know why the other battery changed, but that usually when I charge up nickel metal ones, the needle only moves to like the borderline, so it's nice that these lithium ones are charging to a much higher power. Yep, that's all. Thanks for watching.